Hey there, welcome to the UniHosted YouTube channel. My name is Fernando, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install the UniFi controller or network server in Ubuntu server. I'll show you the step-by-step. We just need to follow the UniFi documentation and also MongoDB so we can install the database. So let's begin. Okay, so let's begin with the installation of the network server on Ubuntu server. A few things to mention here. I'm at the UniFi official documentation, and I will follow the commands from here. I will use them. There is something that I'm not going to use, which is a part of MongoDB installation. For that, we will use the MongoDB official documentation. And we are also going to install another version of MongoDB. UniFi here tells you to install the version 3.6. And also this part will give you issues. These commands are not going to work. That's why I have here the MongoDB official documentation so we can install MongoDB on Ubuntu server. Something else that I want to mention, if you look here on this official documentation of UniFi, there are scripts ready by the community. Actually, is one person here called Glenn R. I've used this script and it's very, very helpful. You can use it to install it on Ubuntu and also Debian. So if you use this one, it will be fine as well. And you only need to use what do you see here. So this is something really, really important to mention. Thanks to Glenn also for creating this for everyone to use. Now, let's go back to the step-by-step by UniFi. Here on my left, I have my Ubuntu server. So let's begin by the first command, which is this one from here. Of course, I need to enter the password of my root user. This is just going to take a few seconds. So let's copy this command. Let's paste this one. And now, third command to install the GPG key. There we go. Now, on to the UniFi network server installation for or MongoDB installation. Let's go into the MongoDB documentation. Like I mentioned, we are going to install the version 7.0, which is compatible with the 22.04 version of Ubuntu server. There's a newer version for MongoDB, which is 8.0, but that is not compatible with the latest UniFi network server version, which is, as for today, is 8.6 or 8, yes, it's 8.6. That's why we need to use the 7.0. Now, scrolling down into all the commands, let's begin by importing the public key. This is very easy. We just need to copy and paste. You shouldn't have any issues. As for this part, remember I'm on Ubuntu 22, so I will use this part. And now on to the part of installing the MongoDB server. If you are on this website, probably you will see the latest release option. Remember, there's a newer version for MongoDB, so the one that we need is the 7.0. So that's why I'm going to go to this tab of this specific release to install MongoDB and all the components. Now, after this finishes, we can go back into the UniFi documentation and go into this part to copy this command and install the network server. Now, something else that is recommended here in this part of UniFi is to run this command, which is basically to start the UniFi service. It might not be needed, but let's use it anyway, just in case. You will need to use, like it's mentioned here, the IP address of the network server. In this case, it's just a local server that I have on my LAN. So I will use that IP. And you need to use HTTPS and also the port of the UniFi server. It's 8443. So now we just finished with the installation, and now let's start the service of UniFi. And back on the browser, let's type HTTPS and /. Now, again, you need to enter the IP of the server and also the port 8443. Now we will have the warning of the connection, and we just need to go into advanced and proceed. There we go. Now we are in the screen of the initial setup. You can name your server something you like. I will just leave the UniFi network. Please remember to change the country to your country, and you need to agree to the end user and terms of service. You will have here the option to restore. If you have a backup file, you can do the restore from here. You can also do it from or after the initial setup. Now, going here on next. Now, I will skip this part, which is logging into the UI account. I highly recommend you do it. For the purpose of this video, I will just skip it. Going here into advanced setup, you have all the benefits of signing into the UI account. There is something else, which is also the automatic backup. So that's one of the things that I highly recommend, setting up the UI account with the controller that you are setting up. Now, like I mentioned, I will go to skip. And now I just need to set up the credentials for this new controller. Click on finish. And now here we are at the welcome or home screen for the UniFi controller. I have already a UniFi access point connected to the same network of the server or Ubuntu server. So that means that I'm able to adopt this device and I'm ready to set up this UniFi network. So we are all set. I will leave the links of the step-by-step that you need from UniFi and MongoDB on the description. Also the script for from Glenn R, very helpful script. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments. This was Fernando for UniHosted. Thank you for watching and bye-bye for now.